Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious cane sugar bread, perfect for coffee time. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Hey Google, stop playing. This delicious cane sugar bread for your coffee, these are the ingredients. I have baking powder, vanilla extract, milk, granulated sugar, sour cream, butter, cane sugar, eggs, all-purpose flour, and of course, the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel. So let's get started and let's make this delicious and amazing sweet bread. I want to start here, of course, with the eggs. And remember, all the ingredients are at room temperature. This is very important. In order for your bread to come out nice and fluffy, tender, moist, all the ingredients need to be at room temperature. I'm adding my eggs, adding the sour cream, adding the milk, my vanilla extract, and of course, adding the butter. Once you add everything in here, you're gonna whisk until everything is really incorporated. Once you have everything incorporated, you are going to start adding your granulated sugar. This bread really comes out moist, tender, and delicious. And of course, you need to sift your all-purpose flour and your baking powder. This is gonna make the bread really fluffy from the inside. Once everything is nice and sifted, all your dry ingredients, then we are just going to incorporate it until there is no dry ingredients at all and everything is nice and moist. And it really doesn't take too long, just a couple minutes, and all the ingredients are going to be incorporated. The top of this bread is going to come out crispy and delicious. That I assure you that once you make this amazing bread, you are going to continue making it and enjoying it with your beautiful family. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside, and now I'm ready to start shredding the piloncillo. I have a knife. I'm just shredding it until it pulls apart. And once you have it like that, then you are ready to start assembling all the ingredients together. But first, let me show you something. Let me show you the texture of the piloncillo. And of course, you are going to use your non-stick baking cream. Instead of putting butter and then putting the all-purpose flour, everything is together in this amazing non-stick baking cream. It really doesn't take too long to prepare it, and it could last in the refrigerator for up to 1 year. Once you have already added the non-stick baking cream, then you are ready to pour the ingredients inside. And believe me, your bread is going to come out perfectly. Nothing is going to stick to the bottom of this baking dish. Once you add all the mixture, right on the top, add your piloncillo shredded right on the top. Cover everything. And remember to always preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit before you take your bread into the oven. Always preheat it at least 10 minutes before you put it inside. Look at this. Look at the texture on the top of the piloncillo. It's gonna go in the oven for 45 minutes. Once you put it in there, don't open the oven door. Just leave it in there for 45 minutes. When it's ready to come out, bring it out. The top's still going to be a little wet because it needs to dry and get nice and firm, the piloncillo. So just pull it out after 45 minutes, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then you are ready to get the bread out of the baking dish. Don't try to get it out when the piloncillo is still nice and hot. Look at this. Once you put a little stick inside of the edges and it comes out clean, that means that it is cooked through. Look at this. Remember, let it rest for 10 minutes before you bring it out and you enjoy it with your family. But the top is going to be really crispy and delicious. And I'm going to help myself because the piloncillo, it's a very thick mixture that's gonna stick only to the walls of the baking dish. So once you put your knife or your little spatula, you run it through all the edge, then it is time to remove it. But I will assure you that using the non-stick baking cream, it's going to come out perfectly. Look at this. It's not going to stick from the bottom, and then you are ready to enjoy it. And this is the part I really love and enjoy. It's slicing the bread and showing you the inside, how moist, how fluffy, and how it looks. I wish you guys were here to smell the aroma of the piloncillo. The aroma of the piloncillo really invaded my kitchen. It smells amazing. And now I am ready to slice and cut a piece so that I really enjoy this homemade bread with piloncillo. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me thumbs up, share this video, subscribe so my family keeps growing. Let me show you how this looks when you pull apart a little piece. How fluffy it is, how crispy the texture on the top it is. You are really going to enjoy it. It's not too sugary, it's just made to perfection. Remember, like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. And this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this sweet bread made with this amazing sugar cone right on the top. Look at this. It's really fluffy. It's really moist. Just perfection made at home. You could start your day with this amazing bread or end your day with this delicious and moist sweet bread. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The flavor of the sugar cone, just perfection. The sweetness is just amazing. It's not overpowering, but the sugar cone right on the top gave this sweet bread an amazing taste. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make the sweet bread at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. I will stay enjoying this amazing bread. See you soon. Bye-bye.